received it, the case. It's pretty roomy. This part is actually detachable. Don't mind the noodles, but this part is actually detachable depending on the size of roll that you have. That way you can adjust it to your liking if you have smaller rolls. But I really do like this case, and I would recommend that you purchase it. It's very sturdy too.